Everyone, in this very video we are going to be looking at arithmetic progression as an example of sequence and series. Now we see from definition that an AP, as the short format arithmetic progression, is a sequence that in which each successive member differ by a common difference. That means each member of an arithmetic progression differ by a common difference. Okay, so we see certain examples here. Look at this here. You can see 2 from 2 to 5, from 5 to 8, from 8 to 11. You can see here that the common difference here is 3. So the successive members differ by 3. Okay, that's 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 minus 5 is 3, and 11 minus 8 is 3. This is another example here. We can notice here that the common difference here is equal to 2. So when you subtract 3 minus 1 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 2, and so on and so forth. The same we have here, but here the common difference here is minus 4. So whenever you see a sequence where each member differ by a common difference, it is an arithmetic progression. Another way you can put it is that T2 minus T1, that the second term minus the first term, is the same thing as T3 minus T2, is the same thing as T4 minus T3, and so on and so forth. So once it has this property, it is an arithmetic progression. Okay, so that leads us to the next is the terms of an AP. Now, the terms of an AP denoted by T is denoted by Tn equal to A plus n minus 1D. Okay, so that is the general formula for the term of an AP. The A there stands for the first term, n is the number of terms, D is the common difference, your Tn is the nth term of the sequence. Now, how did we come about this? We know that the first term of an AP is A, and that means the second term here will be A plus D. That means A plus that common difference. Okay, the third term here will be T1 plus T2, which is A plus D, which gives us A plus 2D. You see that? Now the T4 now is going to be A plus 2D plus another D. That will give us A plus 3D. We keep going until we now see that Tn is actually A plus what? N minus 1D. Okay, that's how we come about that. This is the general formula for finding the term of an arithmetic progression. Now we see certain questions here. Here, the first term of a sequence is 10, and the common difference is 4. Find the 20th term. Okay, so we are given that the first term, your A equal to 10, and the common difference is equal to 4. So we are asked to find the 12th term. Now, according to the formula, which is A plus n minus 1D, now the 12th term now is going to be A plus 12 minus 1D. Okay, which is actually A plus 11D. Okay, so A plus 11D, your A is 10, then plus 11 times your D is 4. So that will give us 10 plus 44, and 10 plus 44 there gives us 54. So then the 12th term of the sequence here is 54. Now let's see another question. It says the 15th term of an AP is 22. That means T15 is equal to 22. Okay, and we are asked to find the first term if the common difference is 3. So we are given common difference is 3. Now 15th term actually means A plus 14D. Okay, which is equal to 22. A plus 14D, that means n minus 1D. Your n here now is 15. Okay, equal to 22. But we are given that the common difference is 3. So we can say A plus 14 times 3 is equal to 22. So that means A plus 42 is equal to 22. Okay, so that means your A now will be 22 minus 42. That's going to give us minus 20. So the first term in this particular question is minus 20. Okay, we see another. It says the 7th term of an AP is 34, and the 4th term is 10. Find the first term, the common difference, and the 20th term. Okay, so we are given that the 7th term of the AP is 34, and we're also given that the 4th term of the AP is 10. Now the 7th term of the AP means A plus 6D. Okay, and that is equal to 34. Now the 10th term of the AP, the 4th term of the AP actually means A plus 3D, and that is equal to 10. You know, this will lead us to a simultaneous equation, and here elimination method will do. So when you subtract, 6A minus A is 0, 6D minus 3D, A we cancel A, okay, 6D minus 3D is going to give us 3D, equal to 34 minus 10 is 24. So you're now going to have that D is 24 all over 3. And 24 over 3 is equal to 8. So we get 8. Now we can find, that's the common difference. We can find the first term using any of the equation. If I use equation 1, we can say that A is equal to 34 minus 6D. Using the first equation, making a solid of formula, we have 34 minus 6D. That means 34 minus 6 times 8, okay? That's going to be 34 minus 48, okay? That is minus 14. So the answer is equal to minus 14. Okay, that is awesome. So our A is minus 14 and our D is 18. Okay, so let's rub a side here. So that now leads us to the 20th term. So how do we find the 20th term? The 20th term is T20. It means A plus 20 minus 1D, okay? And so that is your A, which is your first term, is minus 14, plus 20 minus 1 is 19. So that would be 19 times your D here is 8, okay? So that would be minus 14 plus 162. That's 80 plus 72. That will give us 152, sorry. And when we do this, we are going to get 108 as the answer to the question. Okay, so that leads us to another question here. We are told the 10th term of an AP is twice the 6th term. If the second term is 12, find the first term and the common difference. The 10th term of an AP is twice the 6th term. That means T10 is equal to 2 times T6, twice the 6th term. Then we're also told that if the second term is 12, the second term is 12, that means T2 is equal to 12. Find the first term and the common difference, okay? Now, here we have two equations which can give us our answer. Now, the 10th term actually is A plus 9D, and it is equal to 2 times the 6th term, which is A plus 5D, okay? So, that means we have A plus 9D is equal to, opening the bracket, we have 2A plus 10D. You see that? So if we collect like terms, you are going to have 2A minus A is equal to 9D minus 10D. Okay? So you're going to have A to be equal to minus D. So that means our A is minus D. You can call that equation 1. We can use that in any other equation. Okay? So, but we also have that T2 equal to 12. So, and T2 means A plus D. Okay? And it is equal to 12. So since your A is minus D, we can say that minus D plus D equal to 12, okay? So that means 0 equal to 12. This actually means that this particular question has no solution because 0 cannot be equal to 12. That's the answer. So the answer to this question is that there is no solution. Okay, so we move to, okay, so do well to subscribe and have a nice day.